Hello Internet, welcome to an interesting video in the series Online Retailing Tips. In this video, I'll guide you how you can add products in Amazon. In order to add products in Amazon, you need a few prerequisites. You need to have the product photograph clicked according to the Amazon's policies beforehand, and you need to have a UPC code handy with you. So I'll guide you step by step as how you can do it. Once you log in into the Seller Central, you can go to Inventory and you can click on Manage Inventory, and then on this side, on the right hand side, you get an option, Add a product. You click that and you could add a product which is already added in Amazon by searching its UPC, EAN or ISBN. For example, if you wish to sell a mobile phone which is already listed in Amazon, you can search for its UPC and start selling it. But in this video, I'll show you how you can create a new product listing. The product that you have manufactured or imported, which is proprietary to you. So you click on that option which gives you new product listing, and after that, today I wish to list this cap. So I've gotten the product photograph already clicked with me, so I'll search for the correct product category which should fall under fashion. You go to woman, you go to clothing, you go to men, you go to men, you go to clothing, you go to accessories, and you go to hats and caps. You go to baseball caps. I could not find this option under women's clothing, so this is a tough part. Now, when you get the correct product category, the first thing that you need to enter is manufacturer part number, and you need to assign a manufacturer's part number. For example, I assign a manufacturer's part number this one. This could be a part number related to your product, and then the product ID. So this is my best snapback cap. So I'll copy the UPC code. You'll need to get a list of UPC codes and select UPC from here, and the item name or the title should be descriptive enough that could reflect your brand also. For example, this title could be long enough, but it should be descriptive. And then the brand name, and you need to fill in all the things which are marked with an asterisk here. They're mandatory. In department, you need to specify whether this product is for men or for women or unisex, and the size is free size in my case, and I'll say free size because this cap is adjustable. then you can straight away go to this tab, which is the offer tab. You need to fill this tab during product listing, otherwise you need to skip. You can skip this by clicking this, but this is not recommended at all because you'll need to specify the price of the product, and seller SKU is a code for your identification only. And this is a new product. I'll mark my price here and the quantities, and in fulfillment channel you need to specify whether you wish to sell this, you want to ship this product yourself, or you want Amazon fulfillment. And once you are done with that tab, you'll get an exclamation mark on more details, where you need to enter the manufacturer's name. And finally you need to go to images. Strangely enough, it does not ask you to put the images as a mandatory object, but you need to do that anyway. Alright, I've put in 2 images for the product. You can put as many images as you wish. There are some image guidelines here that you need to read properly, that the products must fill at least 85% of the image, background should be pure white, etc. And then you simply click save and finish. Once this thing is done, you'll get a confirmation email that your listing request has been received, and it might take 15 minutes to show up here. For example, the listing is here now, just like this, and it is not showing any images as of now, but this will appear when the listing gets approved. And you'll need to keep checking on this listing, because once this listing is approved, it might go into a suppressed status, and then you'll need to enter a few details again to get this listing going and make this listing live. And that is about it for today's tutorial. That is how you add a new product in Amazon, and I hope you liked the tutorial, and if you did, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day ahead. Bye.